So here's the Stealthwake, and we put that, it's our Rcharlance, however you say that, brushless system. We got the motor mounted in, there's the ESC. So we're gonna see how this works. All right, Stealthwake with the Rcharlance brushless motor and ESC and a LiPo battery.
Full speed or no?
Yeah. Full throttle yet?
I'm getting it, but just like that's what that is. I wasn't touching the wheel. Not enough room to.
Alright, so here we go again. This time we've got the nickel metal hydride battery that came in it. We'll see if we have better control. So here we are again. It appears we have hit thermal cutoff. It was running great for a couple seconds. Give it a minute to cool off. There we go. So here's what we found. One, the lake is full of seaweed. And two, running with the nickel metal hydride battery and the brushless system really isn't much faster than the brushed 550 with a LiPo. But we have more issues with the brushless system and seaweed, as you can hear. So we tried this real quick and it ran so fast we couldn't control it, and we kept getting the thermal cutoff on the ESC. At least that's what we think it was. So we plumbed in a ESC cooler. There's a plate underneath the ESC, and we're hoping that'll help keep the thing cool enough to keep running. So we're gonna go try it for real this time. That's running at about 80% full throttle. So it might be time to bump it up to at least 90. It's controllable, but it's not that fast yet. Okay, here's 90%.
Although, lost it again.
There's 90% power.
Really?
Okay, now we're at 86%.
I think that may be a tad too much.
Still a little bit uncontrollable. And it died again.
Of course it dies right there.
One of the things we noticed when we were done running was that the adapter to go from the T plug to the EC3 connector was always really, really hot. So we thought, let's take that off. We basically just soldered an EC3 connector onto our ESC, and then we also took the cooling fan off of the ESC and put our water cooling plate directly on top of the heatsink. Next, we'll go and try this and see if we can actually run the boat without it stopping on us after 30 seconds of running. We're back again with the Pro Boat Stealthwake and had another motor change. We're back to the brush system. So we put in the stock speed control that came with the boat, and that is actually a 15-turn dynamite motor that was in one of the cars for a short time. So we're going to give this a try. Since we burned out the first 550 that came with it, and then we put in another 550 that stopped functioning correctly after a short time. I messed around with a brushless system that didn't work. So now we're back to a brushed. So we're hoping that this motor will survive. It's only a 540, so there's less torque, but we'll see how it works. So here's the 15 turn on the lipo.